Welcome back, everyone. In today's lesson, we are going to explore an important and useful concept in mathematics, percentage. The word percent means per hundred. We use percentage in our everyday lives, from calculating discounts and marks to understanding profits, losses, taxes, and interest. So get ready to understand the concept of percentage in a simple way and also learn how mathematics helps us understand the numbers we see around us every day. Also, do like, share, and subscribe to my channel as we proceed. Do give your valuable feedback also in comment section below. So let's begin. So the given problem is, out of 8,000 candidates, 60% were boys. If 80% of the boys and 90% of the girls passed the exam, find the number of candidates who failed. So how do we solve this? So given the total number of candidates, the total number of candidates is equal to 8,000. Now the number of boys, it's mentioned 60% were boys, which means 60% of total candidates were boys. So 60 by 100 multiplied by 8,000 is equal to 6 multiplied by 8 is 48. So 4800, 4,800. The number of boys. Now, number of girls. Similarly, number of girls will be 8,000 minus 4800. Now, 4800 is number of boys. We just calculated. So, 8,000 minus 4800 is 3200. Next, number of boys who passed the exam. That is, it's given 80% of the boys passed the exam, which means 80% of 4800. So, which is 80 divided by 100 multiplied by 4800, and the value comes up to 80 multiplied by 48 is 3840, 3840. The number of boys who passed the exam. Similarly, number of girls who passed the exam. And that is 90% of the girls passed the exam. So 90% of 3200. Why? Because 3200 we just calculated previously are the number of girls. So this is 90 divided by 100 multiplied by 3200, and upon simplification 90 multiplied by 32 is 2880. So now the total number of candidates who passed the exam. So the total number of candidates, just give me a moment to erase. The total number of candidates who passed the exam that is 3840 plus 2880, which is 6720. Thus, the total number of candidates who failed the exam, because this is what we had to find the number of candidates who failed. Thus, the total number of candidates who failed the exams, that will be 8,000 minus 6720, and the value is 1280. So this is the final answer. And that brings us to the end of today's lesson on percentage. Remember, percentage means per hundred, and it is a powerful way to understand and compare quantities. From marks and discounts to profit, loss, and everyday calculations, percentages are everywhere around us. So keep practicing, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep enjoying maths. Stay connected with me here for more interesting and easy to understand maths lessons. See you in the next lesson video. Till then, happy learning!